Do not let your kids say they are bored ever again. Your kitchen is secretly a high-tech science laboratory hiding in plain sight. By the end of this video, you are going to use basic household items to build a massive, erupting foam reactor right in your sink. But before we get to the messy, mind-blowing boss level at number 10, we have to start easy. Here are 10 science experiments you can do right now, ranked from incredibly simple to completely crazy. Let's go! Number 1. The magic floating ink. What you need: a dry erase marker, a glass plate, and warm water. What to do: draw a simple shape on the plate, give it a few seconds to dry, then slowly pour warm water next to your drawing. The output: the ink turns into a solid film and magically lifts off the plate, floating on the water. Number 2. The candy rainbow. What you need: Skittles, a white plate, and warm water. What to do: arrange the candies in a tight circle around the edge of the plate. Pour the warm water directly into the center until it just touches the candy. The output: the sugar dissolves, creating a perfect, unmixed wheel of liquid rainbow. Number 3. The bending water. What you need: a plastic comb and a running sink. What to do: turn on the faucet so it's just a tiny, thin stream. Rub the comb fast against your hair to build up static electricity, then hold it an inch away from the water. The output: the invisible electrical charge literally pulls the water, bending it in midair. Number 4. The dancing raisins. What you need: clear, fizzy soda, a tall glass, and a handful of raisins. What to do: pour the soda into the glass and drop the raisins in. The output: the raisins sink, but carbon dioxide bubbles grab onto their rough skin like tiny life jackets, making them dance up and down endlessly. Number 5. The leak-proof bag. What you need: a Ziploc plastic bag, water, and sharp pencils. What to do: fill the bag halfway with water and seal it. Hold it up, take a deep breath, and stab the pencils straight through both sides. The output: 0 leaks. The plastic is made of flexible polymers that immediately shrink wrap around the pencil, sealing the hole. Number 6. The secret message. What you need: lemon juice, a cotton swab, paper, and a heat source like a hot lamp. What to do: write your top secret message with the lemon juice and let it dry completely invisible. To read it, carefully hold the paper near the hot lamp. The output: the acid in the juice oxidizes and turns brown from the heat, revealing your spy message. Number 7. Oobleck. What you need: cornstarch, water, and a bowl. What to do: mix 2 cups of cornstarch with 1 cup of water. Get your hands in there and mix it up. The output: you just created a non-Newtonian fluid. Punch it hard, and it acts like a solid rock. Hold it gently, and it melts through your fingers like water. Number 8. The fireproof balloon. What you need: a balloon, water, and a candle. Parent supervision required. What to do: put a splash of water inside the balloon, blow it up, and tie it. Hold the bottom of the balloon directly over a lit candle. The output: the balloon refuses to pop. The water inside absorbs all the heat, protecting the rubber from melting. Number 9. The homemade lava lamp. What you need: vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. What to do: fill a glass 3/4 with oil and the rest with water. Add 10 drops of food coloring. Finally, drop in the tablet. The output: an epic, bubbling chemical reaction that creates a mesmerizing lava lamp right on your table. Finally, number 10. Elephant's toothpaste. What you need: 3% hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, dry yeast, and warm water. What to do: pour half a cup of peroxide, a squirt of dish soap, and food coloring into an empty bottle. In a separate cup, mix 1 tablespoon of yeast with 3 tablespoons of warm water. Pour the yeast mix into the bottle and step back. The output: an unstoppable, steaming eruption of thick foam that looks like toothpaste meant for an elephant. Science isn't just something you read in a book. It is something you build, break, and explore. If you're ready for more epic experiments to try at home, hit that subscribe button. Grab your goggles, and I'll see you in the next laboratory.